Cristiano Ronaldo embarks on an epic adventure in the Amazon rainforest after discovering a mysterious treasure map. Battling through dense jungle, crossing treacherous rope bridges, and deciphering ancient clues, he faces thrilling challenges, including a mythical hydra guarding an ancient temple. Using his legendary athletic skills and sharp instincts, Ronaldo uncovers a hidden treasure chamber and retrieves a golden soccer ball adorned with intricate carvings. Victorious, he emerges from the jungle, embodying the spirit of a true adventurer.